Assalamualaikum and good evening to our lecturer and fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Najmuddin, and as a representative of our group, I'll be presenting about our Environment and Safety Health Project report. In September 2015, the United Nations introduced the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. In that agenda, there are 17 Sustainable Development Goals that have been used until now.
All goals need to be adopted by all United Nations member states to protect the planet and ensure that all people will enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. Currently, the United Nations has 133 members, Malaysia being one of them, which means Malaysia's leaders need to also adopt the 17 goals. But there are several minor problems faced by Malaysia regarding the people, environment and health to achieve the goals of the 2030 Agenda of Sustainable Development. Here is the organization chart for our report. Feel free to pause the video for a better look. We are tasked to find and develop a social business model based on the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. After a full discussion, we have agreed to the following objectives. To solve the waste issue without creating pollution to the environment, the solution must be cost-friendly, the solution must not be time-consuming and effective at the same time, the solution must be long-lasting, the solution must have as little to nil negative side effects as possible, and the solution must be safe to humans and the local environment.
Here is our problem statement from the project. Feel free to pause to get a better view.
Our proposed solution involves the Malaysian-made incinerator called the ESH, produced by Palmarai Sendirian Berhad. It is a very compact, eco-friendly, zero-emissions incinerator that uses little electricity, can make use of renewable energy, for example solar, and easy to operate. It uses the process of pyrolysis to break down waste and uses many filters to remove harmful particulates and chemicals from the exhaust, so that only water vapor will be released. The ash produced can be repurposed in various other sectors such as construction and agriculture. Our goal is to build a social business around the ash by first investing in further development of the system, aid in distribution, as well as to promote this new technology to the masses. After more ashes are in the mainstream, we will be able to develop services to manage these units. We can even find a way to profit off of the waste imports from other countries if the capacity encourages it. In satisfying the sustainable development goals, other than the low power consumption, and since the machines use pyrolysis to disintegrate municipal solid waste, it is sensible to think that the system could be modified to also function as a mini steam electric power station. Many units can contribute to generate steam and have it be collectively funneled through one or a few generators to help supply some energy to the local area. City trash can be managed easier and internally if every major building has a unit or two. This would reduce or potentially eliminate the need of garbage trucks hauling trash around and out of cities and housing areas. Ashes are very good at filtering out harmful particulates in its process. The ash produced can be used as aggregate and filter material, for example, concrete, bricks, and roads. Ashes from organic materials are deemed chemically safe and can be used to supply extra nutrients for crops and help aerate the soil. Hence, the need for ash ponds and ash lagoons can be rolled out.
In conclusion, our business model will be able to solve the excess waste problem here in Malaysia. We hope that our idea can get more support so more people could join in and contribute to help solve the excess waste problem. By then, we can hope to achieve the other 15 SDGs. That is all from us, the nature vendors. Thank you for watching.